Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.